Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to extract audio from video on iPhone. First thing guys is you could just simply go ahead and go to your shortcuts application. So it is a default application by Apple. So here you could just simply go ahead and add a new one by selecting the plus icon on the top right corner. And now over here, you could just simply search for just simply swipe down from here and select the eye icon at the bottom. And from here, select show in share sheet. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select done. And from here, select the image at the top from here, guys. And after that, just simply select clear on the top left and go for the media and make sure it is turned on and select done. And just simply search for Encode Media. And here on the Encode Media, select the arrow pointing to the right side and make sure that it is on audio only. Now, after that, just simply go for the search action again and just simply search for save file. And now, just simply select it. And from here, go for the Encode Media, guys. And after that, select ask where to save. And pretty much you could just simply rename the file over here as extract audio, for example, guys. And after that, of course, you could just simply select done and select done on the top right corner. And now just simply go to your video. Now, once you are on your video, select the share icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. And if you scroll down, you should be able to see our shortcut, extract audio. Select on it, guys. And after that, it will prepare it for us. And you can just simply select the file location on where you are going to save it, the file audio, and pretty much you should be able to do this process. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.